So good day, YouTubers. So today we're looking at stocks. As I say, we're going shopping. So the stock market is down today, and a lot of stocks that I'm invested in is pulling back real hard. And as I told you before, I'm waiting on some prices before I enter the market. So this is a few of them. We're going shopping today. So this is what it looks like. So this is LCID, Lucid Motors. As I told you, I was gonna short Lucid Motors if it hits 64. It didn't hit 64 to 61. I didn't get into the short because, as I told you, I wanted a short at this line right here, which is 63.57, closer to 64. I didn't get filled, so it turned back right here at 61.90. Came back down, but see right here where I have this double line. That's where I'm waiting to get in the stock, fully invest in the stock. Right now, I've been nibbling all day, coming down. I've been nibbling each price. It hits and it consolidates. I nibble. When I say I nibble, I'll explain that in the next video, but that means I'm biting a little bit, taking a little bit of shares as it comes down. As soon as it comes down to my price, where I have these lines right here, which is in the 40, under $42, anywhere from 42 and below, I'm loading up. So that's one. That's Lucid Motors. The next one I want to talk about is DraftKings, DKNG. So as you can see right here, we're looking at the 4-hour 160-day chart. So right here, as you can see on DraftKings, right here was my support that it was holding for the last couple of months. It breaks it, it comes down. So right now on DraftKings, I'm going shopping on DraftKings, but I'm totally nibbling on this until I see a rejected price and a recovery, start coming back up, start making higher low and higher high, heading back to the upside. So DraftKings is the next one, loading up on nibbling, going down, adding shares slowly as it falls. As I say, I'm not going to go all in until I see a recovery and heading back to the upside on DraftKings. So that's one. The next one I had was SNDL. 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 So SNDL, not SNDL, my bad. Well, SNDL, let's talk about SNDL since we have it up here. SNDL is a wheat stock. At the present moment, wheat is not doing great. See, right here at earnings, we had a great push up, and then we pull back. As I told you in my last video, this is not a stock you really want to dabble in for too long. Pump and dump, grab your profit out, and then you wait to reload again, back to the upside. At the present moment, wheat is not doing great. So let me get on to the next stock. But we're going to come back to this and we're going to talk about this some more, because I have some more opinions on this stock. The next stock I wanted to look at that I was adding to was Snapchat. So as you can see right here, same strategy. My strategy is like everybody else, every other trader. The 10% that makes money in the market, I follow. That's what we do. That's what you got to do in the market to make profitable trades. Because if you try to use FOMO to jump in these trades, you will lose a lot of money and you get frustrated and feel like you don't want to do this no more. But let's take a closer look. On the out, we're going to look at this right here. This is Snapchat. Right here, Snapchat, we are using this support. Came down here months ago, went back up, it's consolidating in between these prices. So it's consolidating in between 47.92 to 65.43. That's where it was consolidating. It breaks out, went up, came back down. So this is our strategy. We are waiting for it to come back down in these prices between 51 and 53, 54. So right now it's here between 51 and 54. So we're dabbling, we're nibbling on stocks, we're buying shares, small amount of shares. The more it comes down, the more we dabble in. So as soon as I start to see some recovery in this stock going back to the upside, let me zoom in a little bit, I will be adding more shares heading back up to the upside. This is investment long term, because I'm gonna ride these back up to these prices. Snap could be a next meta stock for you to invest in that's at a cheap price. Facebook is a little bit expensive, so for who can afford Facebook, how you could get a piece of Facebook is buying some Snapchat to get involved. Don't let this pass you, and then later on you're gonna sit down and say, if I did know. Don't wait until that time comes to say if you did know. Do it now. The time is now. At the end of this video, I have two stocks I want to tell you guys about. I'm not gonna do a full analysis on those stocks. I'm just gonna throw them out there at you. You guys go do your own due diligence. Think about it. Come back to my channel. I'm gonna comment. Let me know what you think about it. And I'm gonna do some analysis on those two stocks, especially because those are two stocks I'm getting into right now and I'm looking into. But as soon as I do some more homework on these stocks, I'll let you guys know. But for now, I started to invest in these stocks because I see value in these stocks, and one of them is COMS. COMS, as you can see, same strategy. COMS was up, came down. We want to get into it. This is our support from back coming forward. This is our support. It keeps hitting this price 115, going back up, hitting 115, going back up, comes back down, consolidate, came back down to 115, went back up. So this is one stock. As I say, we're gonna do some more analysis on this stock for you guys to understand it more. And as I say, let me do some more homework and then I'll get it to you, get some facts to you that's more concrete for you to understand. But for me, as I say, these are stocks that I'm invested in and that I see value in. So if you don't see value in these stocks, you don't have to invest in these stocks. This is just me trying to basically, these are stocks, as I say, excuse me, that I see value in. So as I say, I'm not here to give you advice on investments or financial advices. I'm here just grasping what I do, taping it, watching how I do, go back watching my videos to see what I do, the mistakes I made, and learn from it. So as I am on this journey moving forward, you can take this journey with me. We can analyze stocks together and we can do this together. Like, share, subscribe. This is Deshaun Campbell at Aggressive Traders. So that's one stock, COMS. The next one is ALPP, Alpine 4. ALPP. So as you can see on Alpine 4 itself, it came down really and truly. This right here is my support. Currently trading off. So Alpine 4 came down back then, keep touching this price, 244, going back up. Anything under 244, between 244 and $2, we are buying in the stock, we're getting in. I'm not telling you that Alpine 4 is going to come back down in these prices because I don't see it. In the futuristically, these stocks have a lot of upsides and a lot of catalysts on them coming forward, moving in the new year coming. So as I say, I'll do some more analysis on these stocks so we could have a more deeper depth on these stocks. I'll get back to you on these stocks, but these two stocks I want to put on your radar: COMS, ALPP. Do your own due diligence. Let me know. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Now whenever these stocks start blowing up, just know that you hear it here first. I throw these out at you. Moving forward, you're going to see the progress these stocks bring with my portfolio. So as I say, thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and we out.